What?
This is what happens when you cross Vanessa. What do you want to do? She's not crushing.
Why are you screaming?
Because I want to play with Lily and Joey.
Well, what did you do wrong?
Tattle.
Oh, okay. Well, when you stop screaming, maybe you can come out, okay?
I'm done.
Oh, I don't think so. You're only done because you saw Mommy. You take a couple more minutes to think about what you did wrong.
I'm done though.
I'll take a couple minutes.